Clear Brown, North Dallas. 2026 Ram RHO full wrap XPEL Ultimate Plus paint protection film with an XPEL ceramic over the top and the XR Plus windshield protection film on the outside, and the windshield protection on the outside, XR Plus on the inside, and XR Plus on the doors, in the back, and the rear window. So let's take a quick walk around. Let's talk about this hood. And I just recently had a person come in here that had an RHO that was wrapped somewhere else. And what happened was they plotted a pattern, so they had lines that went all the way around it. So what happens is I remove all this, I remove this, so there are no lines anywhere. Everything is underneath about an inch. And that's the way to wrap that hood. So it's a white truck, we don't want any dirt lines. All the corners, all the edges, perfectly wrapped. All the edges, the A-pillars, the door, all underneath here, all under these fender flares. Everything goes underneath. No lines anywhere. 100% in, 100% all the way through. Everything looks perfect. All these edges and corners fully wrapped in. Crystal clear, no adhesive, no disruptions. This guy's right back in place where it belongs. Fully wrapped around. The hood looks fantastic. Everything looks great. Taking these off is the way to go if you know how. If you don't, you'll probably have to replace them because you would break them. But I've done so many of these trucks. I've got a system for it, and it works out really good. And you'll see the hood looks fantastic. The fenders look great. Everything's wrapped around 100%. Everything looks fantastic. And that's how it's done here at Clear Brown, North Dallas. We don't cut patterns. Everything we do is custom. These pillars are all done in one full piece, wrapped in all the way around, all the way down. All the doors, all this black, everything's wrapped in nicely. The handles came out. Everything looks fantastic underneath these moldings. So there it is. All the emblems came off, went back on in place. So there's no lines around them. And that's it. Here's a look at the box. And I'm gonna get on my way. Again, wrapping all these edges underneath all this plastic. Everything looks great. Paint looks fantastic. Looks great. All the corners, the lights came out. This came out. Everything's underneath. Everything's around the backside. And there it is, folks. ClearBrownNorthDallas.com is who we are. ClearBrownNorthDallas@gmail if you need to email us. And I'm Brent. Anything you need, give me a call. Landline 214-414-3809. And a cell 940-703-8301. Appreciate you guys watching. Take care, and don't forget to like us and follow us. Take care.